As the lead trainer and development of training of SOPMED, I'm super privileged to be here with ACAM and to be doing this conversation with Dr. Turner and Lexi Yu, bringing in aesthetics, anti-aging, longevity, and also chronic disease. Our niche is not only ozone, but ultraviolet blood irradiation in all tiers and levels of that application intravenously. So we've put together the first day to be focused on the basics and didactics of, a little bit of biochemistry, indications, contraindications on ozone and ultraviolet blood irradiation from 3 tiers, both the manual procedure, the high dose procedures, and even the EBU, the extracorporeal blood ozonation and oxygenation. And then to collaborate and work with synergistic IV therapies such as NAD, glutathione, and methylene blue, and how all those can combine for both anti-aging approaches as well as chronic disease and autoimmune approaches. And ironically, at the end of the day, as we also look at what it takes to build a good practice, not only modalities and these live demonstrations that you will be able to take part in, we also have an hour laying out different criteria for how to grow that in your practice. So how to create protocols, how to leverage those protocols, and truly build an IV room that is financially lucrative and gets great results. And so we're very privileged to be working with ACAM and their presentation the following day. I think that looking at what is systemically going to affect mitochondrial health, ATP production, and how to optimize inside and outside is perfect. But you're looking at not only modulating the immune system, but modulating the inflammatory system and also these underlying infections. So, again, coming at it from a systemic and a multi-layered approach, these 2.5 days are going to be completely packed with all sorts of fundamentals as well as synergistic approaches from both an internal and external and very, live demonstration standpoint. So you should walk away with tons of knowledge and tons of insight, how to pull it all together for your practice, for your patients. All these providers here have very, very successful practices, not just because of 1 or 2 particular items or conditions that they use or treat, but just coming at it from a full cellular modification, holistic, mitochondrial, systemic approach, and that's what we'd love to share with you over those 2.5 days.